Oh my god, that's how bad this shit is.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For the ones that don't know, my name is Bella, and if you are new or haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it helps get our channel out there. Oh my goodness, today is finally the day that we're gonna be fixing the damn oil issue on this freaking turd. I put it off for way too long just because of time and money, and it's been like about 2 years since I've had the parts. I think I haven't really been driving the car as much because I just haven't been wanting to risk any more oil leakage. I was referencing another YouTube video from a different creator on here. It's not that it's hard, doesn't look like, it's just a lot to do because you just have to take off so much stuff, so I am gonna have help. Alright, so this is what we're working with. We are going to be taking this off, the bottom plenum space. The bottom plenum, and then we have to give us some room here because we have to get down there. I don't know if you can see, but you see the shine there. You start to see the sludge where the oil's at. That's pretty gross. So we went ahead and took off the intake. It was an 8 to loosen this little clamp thing, that way that you're able to take it off, and then obviously use these little pliers to loosen up the clamp on the hose right here. And then last but not least, you have to take off this mass airflow sensor, and then the intake just comes off. Next thing we're going to be taking off is the top plenum. I'm pretty sure there's 17 of them to take off. So not gonna lie, I am kind of nervous to see what's under everything because I feel like I'm just gonna find something that's also messed up, and then it's just
Oh, that's your coolant.
Oh shit. That looks cool.
Yeah, but damn. So down in South Florida, what we would do is we would take out the...
By the way, he's no longer known as nor.tm. He's
yeah,
known
it's
as
just on 3. But the reason why I bring that up is because this coolant line is just to keep the throttle body warm, but you live in a warm climate state. So, but I totally did not know that. And I don't know why I didn't think about that, but yeah, that's funny.
It's always a 10.
Yeah.
No.
You're a 10.
That's so corny.
Sheesh, you had a lot of oil.
Oh wow.
Aren't cars exciting? Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this sludge.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Your car has been going through it, dude. Yeah, look at all that grime on your valve cover. That's crazy. And it's both sides, and then of course on that side too, and then it trickled down to your freaking alternator and destroyed it. I don't know if you remember that.
Yeah, it was a lot. It was caked up. It looked like dirt. Literally.
It was pretty bad.
So we took off 2 clips, I think, on both sides, and then what we're gonna just remove all the coil packs, and we're just doing as much as we can to kind of loosen this, that way we can just pull the
valve covers out. Yeah. Thanks Nissan for making it super easy. I don't know if y'all can, let's get, look, it's literally dripping oil. I haven't seen a coil pack that bad in a long time.
That's so bad.
Yeah, it's really bad.
All right, so next thing we're just trying to loosen up the valve cover, and then just by taking off all the little bolts, these little gold little circle thingies, if I don't know if you can see them. And while we're at it, we're just gonna go ahead and change the spark plugs.
Here's your misfire nasty. Number 2. Here's your other misfire. Oh my god, that's how bad this shit is.
I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Hopefully it's not too crazy.
Alright, so this is what you don't want your tip to look like. See, that's bad. You see how it actually has a tip. Just wanted to show you guys, this is what happens when you don't maintenance. Now, it's not her fault, but it's definitely a eye-opening experience for both of us. So just watch out for your cars. Old crusty valve cover. Nice.
Valve cover on the driver's side has now been removed. So I got the valve covers from Z1 Motorsports almost
2 years ago.
Yeah, I was and it's been sitting at home. It comes with the 2 valve covers for both sides, and then the
seal.
You're so tall, you're not even in frame, even if you wanted to be in.
Oh yeah, that it ain't gonna happen. Yeah. Make sure.
Alright, we're gonna put the spark plugs in now since, we're already here. Might as well just put new ones in since the other ones just aren't able to be reused, obviously. And I got these at AutoZone. They're like $9.49 like for just one, and I got 6 obviously, so. So we're just gonna continue this like the next day because we're just having issues just trying to put in a lot of the bolts, especially in the back. It's just like very tedious and trying to get them in the holes without them falling, like either somewhere in the engine bay or on the floor. So yeah, but I mean both valve covers are on. We got the new spark plugs on there. I think we just have to do the coil packs, and then tomorrow we're just gonna go to AutoZone and then just grab like a new hose since we like cracked it.
The next day.
We're just gonna get back to finishing and tightening everything up and dealing with these annoying bolts. And yeah, so the bolts that we're having issue with, they're like the ones that are like back here. That side just wasn't as annoying because there's just not that much stuff in the way, but I think there's like one back here, if it'll focus. There's that one, and then there's like another one.
Better than yesterday.
Almost done. Why are you laughing? Babe.
I know.
We just got the intake to put on, and then we're just gonna bolt on the top. But so we're about to take the car for a drive. The car was smoking for a little bit, but that's kind of normal. Just kind of like getting all the nasty stuff.
Your car, I think you were running on like maybe 5 cylinders forward to be dramatic. It even sounds healthier.
Dang, I'm in a freaking 2023 G.
Stop.
So a little bit of smoke, nothing crazy. So I'll probably drive it around for like, you know, like a full day, and then, you know, we're gonna add oil to it, and then
Yeah, and if
we'll
it's still
see.
smoking, then it might be time for a catch can.
Looks so pretty.
And hopefully we're done with this now. That needs to stop, but finally it's over. Dang, dude, this car, look, and also, bro, after driving it just a tad, I'm like, I don't know, dude, I kind of still really want one. These things are, hers is like, it's fire. VQ owners, man, upgrading.
Yeah, period, fire. But.
Stop.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video. From a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being like difficult and 1 being like easy, doing valve covers, I would say like 3.5.
Next up, now we're gonna put hands on my car. Wow.
You can.
Motherfucker, I helped you.
I want to say like next thing, maybe a 2. I don't know, we'll see. Oh shoot. With that said, if you guys have any questions regarding the install, please let me know on Instagram or in the comments. I'd be happy to help you. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Say bye.